Sunraj Solitaire, Modern Living in Dombivli East. Welcome to Sunraj Solitaire, the epitome of modern living in the heart of Dombivli East. This exquisite project features thoughtfully designed 1 BHK and 2 BHK homes, perfect for those seeking both comfort and sophistication. With sizes ranging from 490 to 603 square feet for 1 BHK and 2 BHK options, and even spacious 3 BHK layouts available, you'll find the perfect home to suit your needs. Experience modern interiors with designer flooring, ample parking spaces, and all the essential amenities you need. With 400 covered parking spaces, 53 open parking slots, and a robust water storage capacity of 25 lakh liters, Sunraj Solitaire ensures you have everything you need for a hassle-free lifestyle. Sunraj Solitaire is part of the larger Maximus Township, where you can enjoy a vibrant community and a serene, sustainable living environment. Strategically located, Sunraj Solitaire offers unmatched connectivity, with easy access to schools, colleges, hospitals, shopping centers, and entertainment hubs. With seamless connectivity to major roadways, railways, and upcoming metro networks, commuting to Thane, Navi Mumbai, and Mumbai is effortless. Enjoy the best of both worlds, urban convenience and a peaceful, green neighborhood, making Sunraj Solitaire the perfect choice for your dream home. Don't miss the opportunity to be a part of this luxurious, well-connected community. Schedule your appointment today.